Interest rates have almost doubled since August 5th. That's just 9 months. A lot of folks are assuming that prices in Raleigh will drop because interest rates have gone up. However, get this. The leading indicator for pricing in real estate is days on market. So if prices are going to drop, the days on market will increase. So presently in Raleigh, the average days on market for a home is 3. That figure has not changed even though interest rates have nearly doubled. The reason days on market is important is it shows you when there's a decrease in the number of active buyers pursuing the home. The less buyers actively pursuing the home, the longer the seller has to wait for a good offer, and eventually the sellers are forced to start dropping their price because there are less buyers in the market. We are not experiencing any of that presently in Raleigh. We may experience that down the road, but there is apparently a backlog of buyers in this market, so we are certainly not in that position today. It appears that interest rates are only going to continue to rise, so it's important for you to understand whether or not you should take action now or if you can continue to wait. So click to our website and hit the blue button to start a conversation about your specific situation, and we can make certain that you're prepared so you don't miss out. So what does this mean to you as a buyer? If this trend continues, we're going to see continued increase in real estate prices in Raleigh, while we're also seeing substantial increase in interest rates. So if you're borrowing money to purchase the home, then your cost to own the home will go up dramatically. So we suggest that you consider acting now to purchase a home if your finances and personal situation are appropriate presently to buy a home. Interest rates have pushed housing costs up $567 per month in Raleigh based on getting a 20% down 30-year fixed rate mortgage for the purchase of the median priced detached home here in Raleigh since August. That's just 9 months. If you don't want increasing interest rates to make the cost of the home you've been dreaming of challenging or even out of reach, then stay tuned because we'll be reviewing the steps to help you confidently make attractive offers that get the seller's attention and, more importantly, get you the home you've been dreaming about. So if you don't want to wait and risk interest rates going up, here's step number 1. Establish and review your criteria for the home and neighborhood you want. And then we provide you a list of recent sold homes so you can review the current marketplace of homes that meet your criteria and how much those homes are selling for, so you can use that information and are prepared to determine the home's real value so you're making a strong offer fast. Homes in Raleigh have recently been going for 77% up to 140% of their list price. So doing your homework and knowing the home's true value based on recently comparable sold homes will help prepare you to make an appropriate offer and not inadvertently over or underbid on the home. When we review your criteria and evaluate solds, a bonus is that we're able to project how many of those homes are going to presumably come on the market in the next few months while you're shopping. This helps you understand how competitive you have to be. If there's only 1 or 2 of those homes coming on per month, you're going to have to be more aggressive in the negotiation process than if 4 to 6 of those homes are becoming available. Now on to tip 2, picking the right due diligence figure. In this competitive market, we're seeing an average number of days on market of 3, and 25% of homes are selling sight unseen. Sellers understand this, and one of the things they're demanding is higher due diligence figures from competing buyers. So to be confident that you're putting up a competitive due diligence figure, we reach out to brokers on recently closed similar homes and ask about how much due diligence their winning buyers presented to the sellers, so we can provide you that information so you know what an appropriate figure is in today's market. This research allows you to respond quickly when a home comes on the market because oftentimes the seller accepts the first good offer. So if you've done your homework in advance, you're able to respond quickly on both the price and how much due diligence to present. Tip number 3, consider buying sight unseen because 25% of the homes, like I said earlier, are being sold in coming soon status. And as you probably know, you can't walk through and view those homes. If you're considering buying a home in coming soon status, we encourage you to walk the neighborhood and we will join you, talk to some of the neighbors, walk by the house, and check the landscaping, exterior paint, and any other obvious observations that can help you decide whether or not the seller has been taking good care of the home. Also, when buying in coming soon status, it's important to check concessions that have occurred on similar homes in that neighborhood that are the same age, because oftentimes if there's recurring problems cycling through the neighborhood, we can find that in seller concessions on the transaction and show you that so you understand whether or not that particular seller has already addressed the specific problem that seems to be reoccurring. We do this by asking the listing broker if that specific issue has been addressed if it's not already in the paperwork. Are you still watching? You're awesome. So make certain to click the blue button on our website to start simplifying your path to buying your dream home now before increased interest rates and other economic factors may make it more difficult for you to get the home down the road. Thanks again for staying to the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the Get Started button on our website. See you in the next video and get ready to buy or sell your home in Raleigh-Durham like a pro.